The clouds are rolling through on another gorgeous evening here at Fireball Beach. Perfect weather for tonight's race. Okay, I know I'm not alone when I say I've really been looking forward to this race. I mean, you just can't lose with a lineup like this. Now, if you want to see a racing expert at work, well, you're in luck, because here we go. And they're off.
This is more like it. Oh, hey, it's you guys.
Got to admit, that was nice.
Red light, green light, wee-hoo!
Now this is racing.
Cut out! Whoa! Watching and learning.
Learned this from my buddy Mater, world's best backwards driver. Great view. It's like I'll see myself win twice.
Boy, it's Now, if I'm racing, what's that you're doing?
Let's see a rookie do that. Trying to lose, huh? Interesting strategy.
Hang on. Yeah. This ain't a mountain, though. Shoot. Be faster if I told you.
What an air trick!
Beep, up.
Are you even trying?
That as fast as you can go.
Damn speed! It's okay. I'm okay.
Good for you. That is no way to hit the ground.
Going backward now, folks. Don't try this at home.
Not bad, but I've seen better.
Oh no! No break there!
I can still win this. Good effort. You just keep trying your best.
Turbo time. You don't know who you're messing with. My pit crew's gonna kill me.
Oh yeah, did you see that? Trying to lose, huh? Interesting strategy. Last lap. Time to kick it in.
Let's make it two-wheel driving look pretty easy.
How's the view from back there, guys? Oh yeah, that stretch feels good. You'd think I'd get used to this. Actually, kind of glad I'm not.
Chick Hicks here, and welcome back to Chick's Picks. Let's talk about Lightning McQueen, folks. Today's big winner. What can I say? Sometimes winners lose, and sometimes losers win. Now to our special guest, Mater. Anything to add?
Huh? What? Am I supposed to say something now?
Hey, we're out of time. As they say, you can't beat Chick Hicks, so why try? See you tomorrow, folks.